parents and my dear students, I'm Raisa Bahaar and welcome to Math with Bahaar. Now let us check the divisibility of a number by 11. Okay, so for this you have to understand the rule. First you have to find out the sum of the digits which are in the odd places, and then you have to find out the sum of digits in the even places, and then you subtract to find out the difference. Now this difference should be a multiple of 11 or it should be 0. Then only we can say that the given number is divisible by 11.
So here I have taken an example as 43,20,976. So first let us circle the alternate digits. So circle the first digit, leave the second one, circle the third digit, leave the fourth one, circle the fifth digit, leave the sixth one, and circle the seventh digit. So the ones which I have circled here are in odd places, that is, this is in first position, this is in third position, this is in fifth position, and this is in seventh position. So the remaining numbers here which I have underlined are in even places. This is in second position, this is in fourth position, and this is in sixth position. So now let us add up all the digits which are in odd places, that is 4 plus 2 we get 6, 6 plus 9 we get 15, and 15 plus 6 we get 21. That is, we have found the sum of the digits which are in odd places. Now let us find the sum of the digits which are in even places. That is, 3 plus 0 gives us 3 and 3 plus 7 gives us 10. Now you need to find the difference between both the sums. So let us find the difference. That is 21 minus 10. Sum of the digits which is in odd places and sum of the digits which are in even places. How much do we get now? 21 minus 10, which we get it as 11, right? So this difference should be a multiple of 11 or it should be 0. That means you need to get 11, 22, 33, 44 and so on. So this should be a multiple of 11, or if you get 0 also, then also we can say that the given number is divisible by 11. So what we have got the answer here? It's a multiple of 11 because 11 ones is 11. Therefore, 43,20,976 is divisible by 11.
I have another example, that is 84,927. So let us check whether this number is divisible by 11. So as we know that we first need to circle all the digits which are in odd places, and then you need to underline the digits which are in even places. Now let us find the sum. 8 plus 9 gives us 17 and 17 plus 7 gives us 24, right? Okay. So now let us find out the sum of the digits which are in even places. So 4 plus 2 gives us 6. Now find out the difference. That is, sum of the digits which are in odd places we have 24, and the sum of the digits which are in even places we have 6. So when you subtract this, you get the difference as 18, right? You get the difference as 18. Now tell me whether this is a multiple of 11. Is it a multiple of 11? No. Therefore, it is not a multiple of 11, and since it is not a multiple of 11, we can say that 84,927 is not divisible by 11. This completes today's video. If you find this video interesting, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll be back with another video with some interesting topic. Until then, practice, be happy and take care. Bye-bye.